Hey, what's up, guys? Courtney, what's up? What's up? So, anyway, man, I wanted to do a quick video just kind of to express myself, and I put up a message on Facebook and Instagram. Basically, in the message, it was saying focus on the business that you already have instead of wasting energy on the business that you don't have. And the reason why I say this, and I really wanted to get the message, be more in depth with the message, is because a lot of times on social media, I see a lot of people, and if I didn't know any better, if I didn't know some of the actions of people, I would probably agree. But I know a lot of people on social media, they pretend. They pretend to be these experts and they have these multiple businesses and they pretend to do so well and they're just doing so well with their business and their life and everything is just perfect. You notice that and you see that on social media, but in reality, that's not true. Because I would tell you, I have my own issues, okay? I have real life issues that most people have. My life isn't perfect, okay? So what I'm saying is that you see these people and everybody again, they want to give everybody advice. They want to tell everybody how to spend their money, how to invest their money, but you really don't know how these people are really living. Okay. So the best advice I can give to you guys is focus. Okay. That's why it says in the Bible, a bird in the hand is better than two in the bush. So what you guys need to do is focus on what's in front of you. And a lot of you guys, you're all over the place. And I used to be just like that. I used to be just like that. Years ago, I was doing this. And every time I seen some kind of get rich scheme, I was jumping on it, jumping on this multi-level marketing, what's that stuff called? The cruise ship and the vacation, multi-level marketing, over here trying to do this business, trying to do that business. Every time I turn around, I was chasing something, okay? But once I buckled down, and I'm gonna tell you what taught me, what buckled me down, and what really got me thinking. It's a long time ago. I watched a Tyler Perry video on YouTube, and he said that he has friends that every time he turn around, his friends are doing another business. They're starting another business and not realizing they're not getting anywhere. And what he said in this video is when you focus on one thing, and I am living proof to this day. When you focus on one thing and you maximize that one thing, everything else will follow. And guys, I will tell you that he is not lying. Once I start focusing on my main business, once I chose to focus on what's behind me, Truman Steamers, and I focus on that, I let all that other stuff go. Not to say it doesn't work, not to say you can't make money off of it, but it just wasn't for me, at least at the time. So once I start focusing on Truman Steamers, okay, and I maximize my business, then the other opportunities they just came. And you would be surprised. You would be surprised when you maximize on something, other opportunities will just follow. But a lot of times when you see people on social media and they got all these businesses. Oh, I got all these businesses and all these investments. And again, I'm not here to say that they don't, but I will tell you there's a lot of them that are just fronting. A lot of them just need attention because of what they see other people doing. A lot of people get caught up in this celebrity life. Everybody wants to be a celebrity. Everybody wants to be famous. And again, that's not reality for everybody. And it's okay once you understand that. Okay? Again, live your life, maximize your life, and do what matters. Do what matters for you, your family, your business, or whatever you do in your life. But maximize, guys, maximize what's in front of you. My good buddy Ryan Kettering, he put up a great comment on a post that went up, and he was saying that there's nothing wrong with investing in real estate. But he said, what I do each and every year, I invest $25,000 per year on my education, because when I invest in my education, it's going to help me maximize my business. Okay, listen what he said, guys. He invests $25,000 every year to maximize his business. Okay, not trying to focus on this business and that business, and I got 5 and 6 businesses. A lot of time, a lot of you guys need to maximize and focus on the business you already have instead of thinking about a business that you don't even have. It's a waste of energy, and it's a waste of thinking, and it ended up being a waste of time. And I went through it. Okay, I went through it, and that's why I'm sharing with you guys. Once I focused on Truman Steamers, then I was able to do things, purchase my first house, give my wife the opportunity to not go to corporate America anymore and chase her dream in real estate. Okay, that's what happened when you focus. Other opportunity comes, and you don't even have to go chase it. So hopefully this video can help someone. Maximize what you have, guys. Okay, whatever you choose to do, perfect that, make the best of that, and I guarantee you, if you do, other things will follow. Have a great night.